Welcome to this tutorial video on ASME Flange CAD Automation. This video describes a novel approach of automating the CAD modeling of an ASME B16.5 and B16.47 raised face, weld neck, bolted flange assembly using ANSYS SpaceClaim as the modeling platform. My name is Lotanna and I am a mechanical engineer at Worley. The current industry standard for performing the CAD modeling of a bolted flange assembly is completely manual and takes approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete. This manual methodology is tedious and rife with the possibility of mistakes that could happen at any step along the process, such as using the wrong dimensions. However, the new methodology described in this video automated the manual CAD modeling and therefore eliminated the possibility of errors and significantly reduced the modeling time from 30 minutes to less than 1 minute. A significant 96% improvement. Here, we have a B16.5 bolted flange assembly. The flange assembly components consist of two ASME B16.5 raised face, weld neck flange of 14 nominal pipe size, 600 pounds class rating, and a grooved metal gasket per ASME B16.20. The bolts, nuts and washers properties were selected per ASME PCC1. The component outlined in the ANSYS workbench application is the geometry component where the CAD model is developed using the SpaceClaim software. Using the automation tool required just 2 steps. Step 1. Open the ASME bolted flange assembly CAD extension from the ANSYS workbench ACT start page. Step 2. Define the flange and gasket geometric properties. The bolt, nut and washer properties are automatically assigned per the ASME PCC1 standard. The geometry was automatically generated in SpaceClaim. Step 2 complete. Now, to review the CAD model. The automation tool took less than 1 minute to generate the CAD model as shown by the timer at the top right corner, thereby validating the 96% improvement over the manual process. Other automation tools are available, such as the ASME bolted flange assembly (FEA) tool, which generates the FEA model for ASME B16.5 bolted flange assembly. Also, the pipe shoe FEA tool that automates the finite element analysis of a welded pipe shoe. And finally the API 579 Part 3 tool that automates the brittle fracture assessment and reporting per API 579 fitness for service code. For questions on these automation tools, please contact me via my email address or my LinkedIn mail, and also check out my LinkedIn profile for articles and resources.